Welcome to AnVIL. This video will give you a quick introduction to the AnVIL project and how it can help your research. Except where otherwise indicated, this content is available for use under CC BY 4.0. AnVIL provides cloud computing for genomic data analysis. This means you can access a wide and growing collection of tools and datasets all through your web browser, without needing to download data or install software. Through the AnVIL platform, you can access a wide range of genomics tools, including Jupyter, Galaxy, RStudio, as well as other tools. These tools are all available simply by logging in with your AnVIL account. AnVIL also enables web access to a growing collection of datasets, including the Centers for Common Disease Genomics, Centers for Mendelian Genomics, Genotype Tissue Expression, 1000 genomes, and electronic medical records and genomics datasets. Importantly, AnVIL provides the infrastructure for securely managing access to protected data. You can also bring your own data to analyze on AnVIL. Finally, AnVIL provides a collaborative computing environment where researchers can easily share and publish computational research, as well as training and outreach content with greater accessibility. How does AnVIL work? Essentially, AnVIL lets you rent computers as you need them, by requesting access through your web browser. With standard computing, you buy an individual computer, for a large upfront cost. You can then use that computer as much as you want for very little continued cost, although you do have to do all the work of maintaining and upgrading it. With cloud computing, there is no upfront cost. You rent the computers as you need them, and you pay based on the capacity of the computers and the amount of time you use them. Importantly, there are ways of pre-configuring these rented computers so that the software you need comes already installed. This can be a bit odd if you're used to maintaining your own computers. One analogy that may be a bit more familiar is the difference between owning a car and borrowing a car through a service like Zipcar. Similar to Zipcar, on AnVIL you pay each time you use the platform, only pay for what you use, and do not have to worry about continuously maintaining or upgrading your computing infrastructure. Why rent computers? This model of on-demand computing can be extremely useful for genomic data analysis. Genomics often involves occasional high-demand computations, such as alignment and assembly, interspersed with many lower-demand data analysis steps. By renting computers on the cloud, you can have access to higher-powered computers when you need them, but don't need to maintain expensive computing infrastructure that only sees occasional use. Different types of analyses may require different computation setups. Through AnVIL, you can request the computational resources most appropriate for your projects as you need them. AnVIL also reduces the time and effort your lab members will have to spend installing and configuring software. Common tools and pipelines are already available, and AnVIL users can share custom workflows with each other. To help you get started using AnVIL, we have created this Getting Started guide. In it you will find step-by-step instructions for setting up your accounts, as well as guides on how to use some of AnVIL's key features. Thank you to everyone who contributed.